I'm out with Councillor Andrea Gibson today in Ely. So what's going on then, Andrea, here?
Well, I was contacted by a resident about the terrible state of the pavements along here, as you can see. Been in touch with the council, and they've been out and they've marked out areas for resurfacing this. I don't know if you can see the usual yellow markings. The roads as well, the road along here is in a terrible state. Temporary potholes, we've had these filled.
To repair.
Have a little look.
Courtesy of Councillor Gibson.
There we are.
Welsh National Party.
A few more up the road as well we've had done. Hopefully we're going to get this out. Let's not get run over. Hopefully we're going to get this area resurfaced.
Yeah.
Also, the notices upon the posts along here for not disabled but say vulnerable people who cross this road on a regular basis disappeared, and they've been gone for a very long time. They've now been ordered and they will be going up.